English around the world. Ireland, the Emerald Isle. No land is more enchanting than Ireland. Ireland is an island to the northwest of continental Europe. It is also known as the Emerald Isle or the Green Island. Let's see why. Ireland is known by its wide expanses of green fields, but there are large areas of ragged, rocky landscapes. About 15,000 years ago, Ireland was completely covered by thick glaciers. The movement of these giant sheets of ice stripped the soil, leaving huge areas of flat limestone pavement. The Midlands and West Coast are full of bogs. We can also find ancient lakes left by the glaciers. Ireland's highlands rise mainly to the southwest, often ending at sheer cliffs that plunge thousands of feet into the Atlantic Ocean. Ireland's cliffs are impressive. The island has lush vegetation, a product of its mild but changeable oceanic climate, which doesn't have extreme temperatures. Temperatures will rarely go below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees centigrade. June, July and August are the warmest months. January and February are the coldest. The Irish have a great affection for nature and rural life. The country's first coins even featured pictures of animals. 2/5 of Irish people live in rural areas. Low levels of development and pollution have left most of the open spaces relatively undisturbed. Did you know that there are no wild snakes in Ireland? The sea has stopped many animals common in mainland Europe. There are only 2 wild mouse species, 1 type of lizard and only 3 kinds of amphibians. There are 26 land mammal species considered native to Ireland. Aquatic wildlife such as species of sea turtle, shark, seal, whale and dolphin are common off the coast. About 400 species of birds have been recorded in Ireland. Most of Ireland's bird species come from Iceland, Greenland and Africa. They are migratory. Ireland has 6 protected natural parks and hundreds of national heritage areas throughout the country. Thanks to everyone who shared their pictures and videos.